Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a pillow in Blender in basically under 2 minutes. So all you gotta do, delete those three and press Shift A to add a plane. Cool, once you add a plane, you need to right click on it and subdivide, and now increase the number of subdivides to a number which your computer can handle. Smoothly basically. And now what you gotta do, go to face select up here, and you can extrude it by pressing E just a little bit. Once you've done that, you need to press Ctrl R to make a loop cut in the middle around this rectangle right here. And what you gotta do is press S to scale it out just a little bit. Cool. Once you do all that, go here to physics and add a cloth modifier. Once you do that, you can check the pressure and now put the pressure to 3. And one more thing before we actually make a pillow is gonna be gravity switching to 0. I'm gonna explain why later. Okay, so once you do that, once you play your animation and stop it wherever you like it, like wherever you like the shape of your pillow. I like it somewhere over here, let's say. And once you do that, you can even shade it smooth by angle. And before you do anything, you can go to modifiers and add a subdivision surface modifier. So we can maybe change the number of cuts to 2 or even 3, depends on whatever you like. So once you do that, you can apply all modifiers. Cool. I'm not gonna be applying any textures now. I'm just gonna maybe make it blue or something because I haven't really downloaded any pictures or so. But yeah, that's our pillow in Blender. It's pretty easy, if you follow this tutorial. And thank you guys so much for watching. That would be it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.